Hello everyone, today I want to do two simple procedures. One procedure is to join first name to last name so that we have first name last name in one column rather than having two separate columns. And then I also need to do the opposite. You have your data formatted as in full name, then you want it to be separated as first name and last name. So I come here, first I want to do the concatenation. I want to join first name and last name together. So come here, I'll call it full name. Full name like that. Then I come here, just put an equal sign, click on the first name. Then I can use what we call the ampersand sign. After that, I can put some speech marks separated in the space in between, close my speech marks, and then ampersand sign again. Then after that, I'm going to click on the other string. So what it means here is I've joined three strings rather. A2, my space is always B2. So my final result will be the full name, just like that. As simple as that. This one I will just take down, copy down. So that's done. So the other alternative is I'll just say copy, paste. So this I'll just call it full name 2. So if you don't want to use this method, you can use another method similar to that one. In this case, you just need to type concatenate. So if you type concatenate, then you click on the first value that you want to concatenate, comma. This time you are separating by comma. Then after that, you open speech marks again. So to have space, don't forget to make use of speech marks. So it's a text as well, comma. Then you click on the other value, which is the last name. So that's our new formula, equals to concatenate A2, which is my first name, then my space, followed by my last name. When you're done, just press enter. You have your concatenation done. So that's it with joining two strings together. So you can join two or more strings together using the concatenate sign. So concatenate formula, or this other method, which is to joining again. So quite simple. Whenever you want to join, this is a common procedure in Excel. Then, so I'm going to do the reface now. So I have my full name here. Now, I don't want my data to be like full name only. So I want my data to be first name, then last name. So what I'll just come here and do is I will rename this part. Instead of this part being full name, I'll just rename it to first name. After that, I come to the next cell, I rename it to last name, like that. Then here, what I'll just do is I have to select the names first. What I'm selecting is only the name. I'm not selecting the the heading. So I'm just going to select that. So after selecting, I go on data. So click on the data tab, then go on to text to columns. So if you click on text to columns, so you leave it as delimited, and click on next. Then here you might have tab here, but what we need is space. Then you go on to next, then you just go on to finish. So that way you have your first name and last name joined together. So these ones I'm just going to remove just for interest sake. So assume we're just using only first name and last name. We are not worried about the middle name. So generally that's how simple it is when you want to split the two. So another common procedure as well, you just need to remember we split using data, then text to column, and that's it. You go through the wizard up to finish. So that's it with this very simple and short video. We'll meet in another video.